on, guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a super cool dance move called the Miami Step. So let's get started. The first thing that I want you to do is to stand on your left leg like this. Now, I want you to jump to your front right diagonal like this. Small jump. Hey. Again. 7. Go. Small jump. One more time. Go. Jump. Good. Now, when you finish the jump, your right foot should be like this. On your heel. Your toes should face up. Okay, so all together looks like this. Land. Okay, again, I'm jumping to the right front and placing my heel like this at the same time. Whoop! Again, 7. Go position 1. 7. Go position 1. 2 more times, position 1. Last time, position 1. Good. Make sure to stay on your ball of your feet. Okay, we want to make it look light. 7. Go. Position 1. From here, I want to jump on my right leg and bring my body back to the center. Like this. Okay, so when I jump, I want to bring my left knee up. Whoop! And that's position number 2. All together, position 1 and 2 to the right side. 7. Go position 1, position 2. Good. Again, 7. Go position 1, position 2. Good. 2 more times. 7. Go position 1, position 2. Good. Last time. Position 1, position 2. Good. From here, I'm doing the exact same thing to the other side. So I'm jumping to my front left, like this. Position 1. Now I jump on my left leg, bringing my body back to the center. Whoop! So again from here, land, and jump on your left, back to the center. Good. Again, 7. Go. Position 1, position 2. 7. Go. Position 1, position 2. Don't forget to hop to the left and come back. 1, 2. 7. Go. Position 1, position 2. Good. Let's try it all together. Right and left. Right and left. 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go over some tips and tricks that can really help you. Make sure you land with both feet at the same time. Together. Together. Okay, don't do this. Boom! 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 Make sure that you jump slightly to the right, come back to the center, and slightly to the left. Like a small triangle. Okay? Slightly, come back. Good. Make sure that you stay on the balls of your feet. We want to make it look light, not like an elephant jumping. Light. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What I like to do with my arms when I do the Miami Step, I like to cross my fingers like this, put my hands behind my head, and go like this. from my past experience, what confuses people the most is the switching part. So I landed into position number 1, and this switch really confuses people. So my tip for you is always jump on the leg that's on the heel. I jump on my right leg. Whoop! Now the leg that's up is going down, and then I jump on the leg that's on the heel. Right, left, right, left. Really good, guys. Let's practice with music. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.